Why is your bird scared going to the vet to get toenails clipped? Every bird gets scared when going to the vet. It's natural. The vet knows how to trim their nails because the birds have veins in the nails. Their veins grows in nails too. And sometimes they do get scared going to the vet because they don't know what to expect. They see an instrument in their hands ready to clip their toenails. It's scary to them. Birds don't know what they're going to do, so they freak out. They have to cut it right, or else they bleed to death. And that's what scares them too. Like I said, the birds have veins in their toenails. And once that is clipped, they bleed. And if they don't stop the bleeding, the bird will die. Thank you for watching.